I ride for our son.
Well, I ride for my wife.
I ride for my wife, Mindy.
I ride for my daughter.
I ride for my mom.
My wife.
My aunt.
She was diagnosed in 2006.
11 years ago.
1984.
100% disabled within 6 months.
I ride for everyone who has MS.
For everybody that has MS.
I started the team riding for myself, but MS is so much bigger.
It's a devastating thing for a parent. I decided, instead of being totally devastated, that I was going to do something. The best part about the weekend is being inspired by all of the people that you see.
The most inspirational part was when we just pulled in with all our team members. We take turns with my mom on the tandem.
For everyone else, of course, it's crossing the finish line, but for me, it's at the start line because it means I'm here one more year.
It chokes me up just to think of it's so much community here, and everybody loves each other, and we're all riding for one cause, and it's so powerful to see everybody doing that.